Anyway, today we're not talking about any cooking, we're going to talk about the weather. All the time is very hot, and hopefully guys you will detox your body, and remember, enjoy the weather, enjoy the hot time, because we all know that, you know what I mean, the cold weather going to come back. So basically today is very hot. I want to say, if you can find a recipe on the YouTube channel, like a simple recipe like a juice or a smoothie, please make a smoothie and keep yourself cool and in good temperature. But what I want to say, guys, remember we have a lot of ideas and recipe online. We know, I mean, the time is hot and you want to come home and do something very easy, simple and quick. This is where it come in really handy. And also subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. Hopefully you make use of the hot weather and also make something really cool and nice. So today we're gonna show you how you can make yourself a nice, lovely, simple drink like this one at home. Look at this, guys. So basically, guys, right here, what I want to simply say to you, I did make some smoothie the other day with mango, strawberry, and roseberry. So basically, what I did, I freeze it. So we're gonna make you a nice, lovely juice water right here. So basically, I just simply put these in the ice. What I did, I just put them in the ice tray like this one and get them freeze. So basically, as you can see, exactly what's taking place right here. And we're just gonna simply take them out just like this. Really nice for the summer. And then what you can do, put a few cucumber. Straight inside of it like that. And some lemon. And this can also help you to detox your body. So basically, that's exactly where Chef Ricardo is all about with this nice, lovely summer drink right here. Summer water drink. As you can see, everything is just melted out inside of the water right there. Basically, as I said before, this is just like the fruits. Them I blend up the fruits and then I put them in the tray and freeze it, and that's the color we get from it. Really nice. So hopefully you will find this be a benefit to you guys. Enjoy it, and please subscribe to the YouTube channel. We got a lot more ideas and recipe coming your way. So let's put some in the glass just to show you exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about. So if you put them in the glass like that, what we're gonna do is gonna bring up a nice, lovely flavor in the glass. Nice and lovely. So as you can see, exactly what's going on right there. And then basically what you can also do, you can, to be honest guys, you can simply top it up with some more ices, and just to make it get really cool. So say if you're outside and you're making yourself a nice lovely barbecue day like today, when the sun is so really hot, this is what you can do. As you can see right here, really lovely and nice. Hopefully you'll find this be interested for you guys and enjoy the recipe. And as you can see, let's give it a go. Really nice, and you can taste the flavor of the mango, the roseberry, everything, the cherry. So as you can see, exactly what's going on right here. Really nice. So basically all you need to do is just blend up some fruits and simple lay them out inside of this and freeze it, and then you use them in some water. Enjoy the recipe and the ideas and the tips. That's from Chef Ricardo on the team, and see you next time. Bye bye.